So the long ride home just became even longer. Dun dun dun.
Just ran out of gas.
Dun dun dun.
Thankfully, we're in a safe-ish place. And the current is taking us towards this beautiful mansion here. Unfortunately, I might have to trespass so I can Uber and get some gas.
This is the fun part, right?
I filled up. Obviously, I'm dumb.
So
I'm not a boat builder. I have no idea what I'm doing. I didn't think I ever needed it. I don't have a fuel gauge on this boat. So the sun's going down. I have no navigation lights.
My phone's about to die,
Phone's about to die.
which is short battery save mode. I have 19%.
So yeah, boys and girls, we're in a fiasco right now. So I don't know if maybe I should use my starter to get us to that house and then Uber. Can you see how far where we are on your phone? Or maybe we can Uber to the gas station and then hopefully this person that owns this house doesn't call the cops on me for trespassing.
Hold this.
So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. I ran out of gas.
Long ride. Gas nearby. Let's see.
Where are we to start with? Where are we?
I don't know where you are. It's okay, babe. It's okay. Worst case, what? We sleep here? Wake up somewhere over there?
I want the current to go that way, bro. I just need the current to go that way.
I don't think it is, though.
I see. I think that Paramount in the back looks familiar.
He just said bye to you, baby. The girl's like, bye. Bye, Felicia.
So I don't think I should do this, but I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put my life vest on, and I'm gonna swim the boat to that over there. At least I'm gonna try to.
No.
I have no choice unless this is our boy. If this is the guy we were with, because that boat's hauling butt, and I'm gonna ask us just to drop me off over there.
Well, here it is, guys. Here it is.
I was about to start swimming.
I just saw a big cat. I was like,
Do me a favor, bro. I don't want to put you in mission. Just drop me off at that house.
Yeah, I gotta pull you out, no?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't. It's gonna
Bro.
get a video out of it.
Okay.
So. You hold this.
you're good.
Let me see if I remember that TikTok now.
That TikTok.
You know that ain't gonna happen.
Shit like this is what people like to see.
Yeah.
This is real boating.
This is real boat. Actually, I'm a dumbass, but whatever. This is real boating.
Running out of gas part 2. Or 3. Or 3.
Hi guys. Sorry to bother you. Do you guys live here? Do you mind if I throw my boat somewhere and go get gas at the gas station? Even if they call the sheriff? I remember that day. I was going, you know?
I pulled him 25 miles marathon.
2 marathons.
I'll blame.
Long ass rope. Long ass.
Trim up. Thank you for saving us. So exciting! It's dark. No.
Yeah, we push out the thing where you can. Yeah.
Más le vale.
I see a lot of coral on the water. Well, I hope you guys get home safe.
Thank you. Bye, guys. Careful, babe. Careful, babe. Oye.
The adventure begins.
Dun, dun, dun. We only have 33% battery, by the way. Let's go. We got 1 hour and 33% of battery.
I actually wish I would have gone to that house.
Camínalo.
Huh?
Walk it. Mira, right here, baby. Tie it right there.
Yes. Do you mind if I tie up and I go to a gas station and Uber?
Real deep. Channel right there. It gets real deep.
I guess if there's no current,
And you can tie it right down here.
if you don't mind, you're the third people I ask and nobody wants to help. I have a gas tank. I just need an Uber. Thank you, guys.
Baby, it gets real deep.
Give me the life vest.
Are you sure you got the rope? Don't be swimming with no rope.
That's called 1 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
Real man horsepower.
My cardio for the week.
Is she videotaping you?
I have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel and I record everything.
Have you seen the qualified captain?
This is a qualified captain move.
I was gonna say, are you the qualified captain
No.
right now?
No. Qualified captain's on Instagram. I'm on YouTube.
Watch out for that bull shark right there.
Thanks, guys.
We have a croc that lives up in the rocks, by the way.
That I do believe.
That I do believe too.
So right now, my fight or flight. I'm fighting right now.
I was gonna say, we might see you walk on water.
Yeah.
You have to go buy something. I don't have any. I was trying to go up there and pull up.
Come on.
I'm glad I'm giving you guys some entertainment.
We just got back from dinner.
Now what happened with that other boat?
Nah, he was my buddy.
Oh, yeah.
He's my buddy, but I don't want to put him on a mission. I just need gas.
Where'd you put it in?
Gilbert's? I'm not too far. I can make it there pretty fast, but I just need my 10 gallons.
It's all for the good of the YouTube channel.
I love it.
Well, you have no idea how many people we see that try to cut across here and
Rip their props
rip
off.
their props off.
Right there,
You should
Mom.
record it. Thank you guys. Really appreciate the help.
There are stairs there, but if you want
Stern rope?
No, I don't got a
No.
Okay.
But she has one on board. I can have it. Alright, guys. Whew, thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Let me get the towel.
Let me take the truck. You got it.
Bye, babe.
No, if he's not back in an hour.
Well.
Not my problem.
Put it in the back there if you want. I don't want your... Yeah. In Florida? I'll lay down. I'll lay down. I was about to trespass, so I don't think this is that bad.
No.
Oh, man. What's your name?
Rob.
Rob, thank you, man.
No problem. What's your name?
Louis.
Louis?
Louis. Oh, and I got this to hide me too. So I'm not sure how much of that was blurry. We weren't looking at the camera. But yeah, guys, we're on the way to get some fuel. So beautiful house, let me tell you. Woohoo! Adventures. The adventures we go on. We're not. That's a good thing about the old school 2 strokes.
Okay.
The old 2 strokes.
That's good.
Yeah. In this world, you gotta learn to help each other out, and you gotta learn how to be nice to everyone, because you do not know when you're gonna need help yourself. And that's why I'm always nice, and I'm always willing to help anyone that's in distress. And thanks to these guys, we should be making it home before the sun goes down, because I have no nav lights and that's illegal. So again, guys, sorry for the blurry camera. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That does not surprise me. Nah. We're like an umbilical cord. Oh man. Alright.
I want to see you do this. I'm recording. I'm doing my job.
Don't get him on camera. Remember, he just got out of prison.
Oh, that's right.
I'm gonna put on there. FBI,
Careful,
have you seen
babe.
this man?
That's too
Talking
funny.
about you, babe.
You. I told him you didn't mean to kill that guy when he hit the cross.
No.
Oh man, cameras died, but these guys are super nice. We're on the way back home.
Super thankful to them.
Super thankful. Beautiful house.
Prettiest house.
So yeah, guys, let's make it home before the sun goes down. Drop a like.
The phone's about to die.
And the phone's about to die too, so if you don't see the ending of this video, it's because all my cameras died.
And the phone.
I wasn't planning on running out of gas, clearly.
But thank you to that family, honestly.
Alright
You're
guys,
awesome.
next time you see us, we should be back on the trailer. Hopefully no more issues. Recording?
It's on.
All right, guys, we made it back to the boat ramp. No issues this time. For those of you who helped us out today, thank you. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. God bless you guys.
This guy's too drunk to put his boat on the trailer. I'm no one to judge. I can't do that either way. Sober.
You're good, man. Let me know if you want any help, man.
Nah, the big problem is I fucking put the trailer in too low, honestly.
We're back in the truck, heading home. So, thankfully, everything worked out. For those of you who helped us out, thank you. God bless you. Those 5 people who helped us out, guys.
You know who you are.
You know who you are. And because of them is why we are on our way home safely. Nothing happened. I'm recording with the iPad. That's why it looks a little weird. But again, just thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Press the like button. Share it to your friends for them to laugh. I'm sure you know somebody who's run out of gas in the water before. Happens to the best of us.
All the time.
So
All the time.
it happens to me at least once a month. I need to put a fuel gauge on the boat somewhere. I just don't want to drill a hole into my beautiful dash. And the thing for the GPS is a little expensive. But other than that, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.